Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today we are going to do a product review for the air purifier we bought last week. We're about air purifier. Wala tayong scissor guys. It's M1 Black. Ulit pa. Oh no. Wait lang guys. Hindi ko maulkab. Continue guys. At hindi ko ma-open. Yeah, you get it. Very solid material. Adjustable. And it comes with a USB charger. It's micro USB. Plus, more manual. So, try natin. Saan ang switch? Sa bulay. Meron lumalabas na parang air. And parang may brush. Guys, may brush. Saan nyo? So, let's see if effective pag di na ako in allergy. Bye!